just remember that the world changed during the 30s and after 1945 because of the advent of commercial aviation as an industry, and this was because of these machines. Two small ones are what we call it was at the beginning of the 1910s and 20s, and then he decided he was going to spend his life designing and building aircraft. So he took his wife, she was pregnant at the time, he took his dog, their dog. They already had one kid, a girl, I think to remember, and their fortune, which was something like $500 of the time, which was not ridiculous. And they moved to California, to Los Angeles. Beauty shop, rented it and painted the name Douglas Aircraft Corporation on the wall in front of the shop, and he was in business, and he started a very capable engineer called Jack Northrop. They came up with that solution, the DC-1, which was aesthetically speaking, the DC-1 was absolutely light, the DC-3 a bit smaller, and that was it. And they evolved the DC-1 into the DC-2 and the DC-2 into the DC-3, but basically speaking, it was the same airplane. And the end result is that they succeeded in creating a moment, you could call it a change of civilization with the DC-3. Air transport became another industry. Airlines were able to make money which was not the case before. Suddenly it became a realistic business, and to the point that in 1948 the insurance companies in America agreed altogether to insure air travelers, aerial travelers, which was of course something impossible before. The DC-2, a reality. Then came World War II and the need for the military to transport cargo and freight and equipment and paratroopers and personnel all over the world. And no aircraft was better suited to that purpose than the Douglas. So with the military it became the C-47, and the British called it the Dakota. The Americans the C-47, but the result is that at the end of the war, when General Eisenhower wrote a famous article saying DC-3 is flown by Mr. Brayton Moser, the Beech 18 South flown by Mr. Kisling and Mr. Mattis.